Welcome back to my channel. Are you new to my channel and you're interested in healthy lifestyle, craft making, DIYs, cooking, and traveling? Stay tuned and watch. Guys, good morning. And today we're going to try another hobby is biking. So let's go. See, it's too much fog out right now today. We're going to the bicycle track and I will show you when I reach there, guys. See you later. Finally, guys, we reached the green path. Ayan yon. That's it. So from here, we're going to bike and I don't know where we're going to reach. So I'm just going to show you my bike and the beautiful sunrise. I mean, over there. Sometimes it's so nice to just, go out and enjoy the nature. So we are on the right track. Here you guys. So we'll see how far we are, and until I can stand this biking. Shalom! I wish. Let's be healthy and happy all the time, guys. Later. This is the route that we're going to. And maybe later we're going to try this route. Okay? Shalom, guys!
We all know that Qatar is pretty amazing and now have even more proof in the form of 2 Guinness World Records. Doha is now home to the world's longest continuous cycle path and the longest piece of asphalt concrete laid continuously. The Olympic cycling track near Al Khor Road is 33 kilometers long, and 29 underpasses and 5 bridges were built along it to facilitate non-stop riding away from the road. It was designed to allow speeding of up to 50 kilometers per hour, and there are also 80 bicycle stands, 100 benches, and 20 rest areas along the route for cyclists to use. Around 2,600 kilometers of pedestrian and cycle paths are set to be built by Ashgal by 2022. The longest piece of asphalt concrete laid continuously without joints was also laid on Alcor Road and is around 25 km in length.
So guys, this is the end of our route, or the road for this route that we go. And probably I will go back and try another route because it's still early. And it takes us 5 kilometers to reach this route here, 5 km plus. So again, we're going to try another route because it's still early. It's just like past 7 a.m. here in Doha, Qatar. See you again later, guys. We're going to try another route, and the day is still so early, so I guess I have to wear my glasses, my sunglasses, because the sun is so high right now. So see you later, guys. Ciao. Let's have a water break before we continue our journey. Journey to have a better health and healthy lifestyle. So see you later again, guys. Shalom.
The project also aims to raise health awareness around the importance of adopting a healthy lifestyle, such as practicing exercises.
So I have told you guys we're going to try another route, and we will go and try this. Let's go. First, we came from this route until to this route, until the end of this road, and now we're going to this road. Okay, this one. Here we go, guys. Let's go. This is it. We're going inside the tunnel. Like a, not really tunnel, a small tunnel. Here. See the view? See, there are some other bikers here. Not only me. They're on the way for the good health. Good morning. See, it's not only me. There are a lot of people having their... There you go, guys. I don't know where I'm going or where I'm going. Don't worry, I'm safe. I am alone on the road right now and nobody's with me, so we're good. Let's just enjoy the ride, guys. See you there. But I guess we have to go home now, guys, because I don't really know where I go, and I might lose or lost the route going home. So I better be going back, and I have to have a friend with me. It's more good to have a friend biking along, and the one who knows the route going to this path. Or next time I'll go early so I could try a lot of path or route. Okay, guys? Shalom!
A medical practitioner would suggest that 30 minutes of moderate physical activity is required each day if you want to stay healthy. There are many ways to keep track of this, and biking is one of them. Biking has become popular in Qatar as more and more people now are conscious and aware of their physical conditioning. It has become a popular alternative to keep you in shape and healthy. With this, we all agree that regular exercise helps. So here are the places, bicycle lanes and cycling trails that you can try if you want to stay fit and healthy here in Qatar. Places for beginners: Hamad International Airport, Al Bida Park, Doha Festival City. Places for advanced bikers: Al Fuwairit and Al Kisa. Places for extreme bikers: Al Khor, Sunset Ridge, and Camp Banayad. These are just some of the places that you can bike around in Doha. I hope you can find the best place where you can start your healthy habit of exercising. Safety gear for cyclists. If you are out riding a bicycle in Qatar, by law, you must wear a bicycle helmet to protect the head from sustaining any serious injury in case of an accident, and a reflective or phosphorescent jacket so you are visible when it's dark. You should wear appropriate clothing that doesn't get stuck or tangled in the chain or the tires. Safety gear for your bicycle. For your bicycle, by the law in Qatar, you must have a rear view mirror on the handlebar so you can see what's behind you. You must also have a front light, a rear reflector, or a dynamo to power the front light, and reflectors on the sides of the pedals to ensure you're visible when it's dark or when visibility is low. The brakes on your bicycle should be well maintained. You should have an air pump for your tires fixed on the down tube of your bicycle and a horn for an emergency purposes. Those who don't have the proper gear will risk having their bicycle to be confiscated by the Qatar authorities at any time. According to Qatar's law number 19 of 2007, Article 48, cyclists should stick to the extreme right-hand side of the carriageway and can move individually behind one another if there are no designated cycle lanes. Both cyclists and motorcyclists are prohibited from driving without holding the handlebars with both of their hands, except when they are giving hand signals. They are also prohibited from holding another vehicle or lifting one wheel off the ground while driving. Cyclists are prohibited from carrying an additional passenger unless the bicycle is equipped for such a purpose. Along with the road safety perceptions, Qatar's harsh summer heat means cycling advocates can face challenges in encouraging others to commute on two wheels.
We're now on the way back home, guys. Let's do this. I guess this another lane is for walking or jogging. And this green lane is for bikers like me. See you there, guys.
The Qatar National Bicycle Master Plan says all new expressways must include lanes for cyclists, and the existing roads should be refitted to allow for bicycle lanes.
Hi guys. So I'm going to take a rest for a while before we're going to finally go home. So I hope you enjoy our ride with my friend right here. See there? Yeah, it's my body right now. My friend, my new friend actually. So actually it feels good to be with nature, to breathe a fresh air. I just feel accomplished. I feel good, and of course I feel healthy too. So I hope other people will be inspired on actually on going for a bike ride, at least just a walk, you know. I mean, that's the only thing we can give a gift to ourselves, that not needed for money. We can give our life or our body a good health. So I'm just a little bit chilling for a while here, just to, you know, take a deep breaths. And we're going home, back to the room, back to regular routines. Finally, we reached the end, or from where we have started before. So here it is. You can see, guys. So now we're ready to go back home. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. So we reached up to 10 kilometers today in more than almost 2 hours. So this is the record that we have today, and we'll try to beat this one on the next weekend. Hey guys, we're almost near our home. See you there. Ako edi. Finally, we're reaching our village, and we're approaching to my home. See, this is how it looks like. Finally, we reach home, guys, and here's the total. I don't know if you could see it. We bike like around 12 kilometers in a span of 2 hours. And of course, it is not continuous. I stopped for several times. So, thank you for watching. Have a a great day, everyone. That's all for now.
Workout.
Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.